The creative course tool presented is called PlayPosit. This tool helps the instructor prepare the students for real-world experiences in a creative and innovative way. Students are required to take a final exam using PlayPosit. This exam is the culminating learning experience that allows students to synthesize a variety of information and skills and to meet most, if not all, of the learning outcomes. This final exam is a simulation of how to make effective classroom decisions after analyzing children's reading assessments data to place them in the appropriate reading ability group in order to receive targeted and differentiated instruction to improve their reading abilities. Soon, you're going to be able to hear and see a sample question for the final exam.
Question 3. To answer this question, you will need to have in front of you a hard copy of the following documents: the Reading Overall Scale Score Placement Levels, the Class iReady reading scores to create groups, and the reading domains addressed in the iReady assessment, which are phonological awareness, phonics, high-frequency words, vocabulary, comprehension, literature, comprehension, informational text. Listen to the following scenario carefully. After you hear the scenario in question, you will be given 5 minutes to analyze the documents and to make the best answer selection. Mr. Sanchez just received his last formal assessment data. This data comes from the iReady assessment tool AP1, which is administered at the beginning of the school year. The iReady is a single K-12 adaptive diagnostic for reading and mathematics that pinpoints students' needs down to the subskill level, with an ongoing growth monitoring option that shows whether students are on track to achieve end-of-year targets. The assessments are computer-based and delivered on internet-connected computers. He needs to use this data to create the groups. Let's take a close look at the data. First, we need to take a look at the Reading Overall Scale Score Placement Levels. Then, we need to analyze the Class iReady reading scores to create groups. The following are the reading domains addressed in the iReady assessment: phonological awareness, phonics, high-frequency words, vocabulary, comprehension, literature, comprehension, informational text. Now, listen to the following scenario and then answer question 3. Suarez needs to create groups to differentiate instruction during guided reading. Question 3. Based on the data provided, which chart would be most effective to attempt to meet targeted students' needs? Keep in mind that Amy Chin and Andrew Lee are English language learners. The answer is A. Based on the data provided, Group A should receive targeted instruction on high-frequency words, comprehension, literature, and informational text, and vocabulary. Group B should receive targeted instruction on phonological awareness, phonics, and high-frequency words. And Group C should receive targeted instruction on phonological awareness and phonics.
This final exam is a simulation of how to make effective classroom decisions after analyzing children's reading assessment data in order to place them in an appropriate reading ability group to receive targeted and differentiated instruction to help them improve their reading abilities. It is important for my students to learn these very complex skills. All teachers in Florida are required by the state to analyze a variety of data to place children in the appropriate ability group to meet all children's needs. Without a simulation, students will walk into a classroom without the necessary experience to succeed as teachers and help them students succeed. This tool is clearly explained and user-friendly. Students may retake the final exam until they reach the desired score.